everyone, I'm Ricardo. I'm a scientist at Zimmer and Peacock, and today I will show you how to measure the concentration of nitrate in a solution using the SenseItAll device. So what we'll use today are three elements. The first one is a nitrate sensor developed by Zimmer and Peacock. We have our SenseItAll platform, our application-specific platform, and then we have our app, which we'll use to perform the experiment today. We'll also have two solutions that we'll use for the nitrate test. One is a baseline solution and the other one is a spiking solution. And we'll have our sample of unknown concentration, which we will mix to the baseline and the spiking solution. So in order to start the test, the first step that we need to take is we need to connect our app to the device. So we'll click on connect the device on the app. We will select our device, and you will see the light turning from blue to white, which means it is connected. So the second step is to scan the QR code associated with our test. In this case, it's the nitrate test. So we'll click on the QR code icon, and we will scan the QR code associated with the nitrate test. Next, we will insert the cartridge inside the SenseItAll device, and we'll click on Go to Assay. So the assay will tell us to mix, as I said, equal parts of our sample and the baseline solution, which is the first solution. In this case, I've done this already, so I will just use a prepared solution. We will take 50 microliter of this solution and deposit on top of our sensor. And then we'll click on Start Measurement. The measurement will take about 100 seconds. So now that the test has ended, we have received our the value of concentration of our sample in the app, and we can go inside Julie to take a look at the raw data. So when I started the test, I also specified a cluster for where to put my data after the measurement. In this case, the cluster is called Nitrate Demo, and so if I go into Julie inside my clusters, I'll be able to locate a cluster called Nitrate Demo. Clicking into that, I will click into the project name, which is the name of the device, which is CR2027. And then I will click onto the report, which I just made corresponding to the test, which I just run. Clicking inside the test, I can see the raw data, I can see the pre-processed data, but especially at the top, I can see the value of concentration of my sample coming out of the measurement that I just made with our sensors. So today I showed you how to measure the concentration of nitrate in a solution using the SenseItAll platform. If you have any question, please feel free to reach out to Zimmer and Peacock. Goodbye.